माननीय सभासद, माननीय सभापति जी।
वणक्कम। पहले ये पेपर्स वगैरह दे करके बाद में कहे तो थोड़ा Proclamation under Article 356 of the Constitution. Sri Rajnath Singh ji, Home Minister, who is going to place it before the House?
Sir, I place before the House the supplementary list of business.
No. Once the Minister comes, we will have it. The papers to be laid on the table. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name in today's revised list of business. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Sri Hardeep Singh Puri.
With your permission, I rise to lay the papers listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Ramdas Atware. Sri Ramdas, please. Please, no comments, please.
Honorable Inspector, sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House against my name at serial number 3 in the revised list of business, a copy of English and Hindi, a memorandum of understanding between the Government of India, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, and National Safai Karmachari Finance and Development Corporation for the year 2018 and 19. Thank you.
Honorable members, I want to remind, we have decided to do away with that word, beg, request, आगे ऐसा करना. Then General V.K. Singh. General V.K. Singh.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 4 in the today's revised list of business.
Sri Krishnapal Gurjar.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 5 पर अपने नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं.
डॉक्टर सत्यपाल सिंह.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of this House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in today's list of business. Thank you, sir.
Message from Lok Sabha, Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 19th of December 2018 passed the Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2018. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Reports of the Committee on Public Undertakings, Sri Naresh Gujral.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Committee on Public Undertakings. 24th report on review of loss-making CPSUs and 25th report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations contained in the 19th report of the Committee on the Public Undertakings 2017-18 on National Highways Authority of India Limited.
Statements of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal and Steel, Sri Ram Vichar Netham, Sri Samir Varan.
महोदय, मैं आज के आदेश पत्र में मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध कोयला और इस्पात संबंधी स्थायी समिति के प्रतिवेदन के अध्याय 1 और 5 में अंतर्विष्ट सम्मुक्तियों व सिफारिशों के संबंध में सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई को दर्शाने वाले ब्यूरों की एक-एक प्रति अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं.
Statement of the Committee on Welfare of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes, Sri Shamsher Singh Dullo.
With your kind permission, I beg to lay on the table a copy of the final action report taken statement of government on the recommendation contained in Chapter 1 of the 9th report of the Committee on Welfare of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes regarding action taken by the government on the 7th report of reservation for and employment of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes in Central Board of Excise and Customs. Thank you.
Statement of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment, Srimati Sarojini Hembram.
महोदय, मैं सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 9 विवरण जैसा कि आज की कार्यसूची में निर्दिष्ट है सभा पटल पर रखती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Honorable members, I have an announcement to make. I have to inform the members that a letter has been received from Sri Ahmad Hassan, member, stating that he is not able to attend the sittings of current 247 session due to his ill health. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 11th December to 8th January 2017 of the current 2019, stand corrected, 19 of the current 247 session. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 11th December 18 to 8th January 19 of the current 247 session of the Rajya Sabha? The permission to remain absent is granted. Statement by Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House following statements regarding 1. Status of implementation of recommendations / observations contained in the 207th report of the Department-related Parliament Standing Committee on Home Affairs on the action taken by the government on recommendations / observations contained in the 202nd report of the Committee on demands for grants 2017-18 pertaining to the Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region donor. 2. The status of implementation of recommendations / observations contained in the 307th report of the Department-related Parliament Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests on the action taken by the government on recommendations / observations contained in the 299th report of the Committee on demands for grants 2017-18 pertaining to the Department of Atomic Energy. And 3, status of implementation of recommendations / observations contained in the 314th report of the Department-related Parliament Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests on the action taken by the government on demands for grants 2018-19 pertaining to the Department of Atomic Energy. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Honorable members, on 18th December 2018, when the House reassembled after lunch, Sri Anand Sharma, while raising a point of order under Rule 238, submitted that on checking the records, he found that morning, while leader of the opposition was speaking about the privilege notices, the Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs referred to Sri Rahul Gandhi, who is the Congress President but a member of the Lok Sabha, and asked him to apologize. Yesterday, that is 19th December, when the House met Sri Vijay Goyal, Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, while pointing out to allegation made by Sri Anand Sharma, submitted that he had nowhere referred to Rahul Gandhi in his submissions made in the House on 18th December 2018, and Sri Anand Sharma has misread the House. He demanded that Sri Anand Sharma should withdraw his words and those words to be removed from the official records of Rajya Sabha. I had then said that I will go through the records. I have carefully gone through the debates of the Rajya Sabha of 18th December 2018 and found, as per the records, nowhere Sri Vijay Goyal, Minister of State for Parliament Affairs, in his submission referred to Rahul Gandhi. Therefore, the what is this? What is it? Unnecessary controversy ko mat badaiye. I want to put the record straight and leave it there. If you want to just prolong it, therefore the averment made by Sri Vijay Goyal are correct. I told that I will get back to the House. That's why I said, otherwise not to.
Allow me. I don't want to prolong or stretch it. What you have said, you have checked the record, but I want to make one submission to you, sir. That day, there was din and commotion like any day in the House, and the ruling party members were standing with the placards with the name of Shri Rahul Gandhi and shouting slogans. So in the din, maybe the minister did not, but what was coming on the mic, it was very clear.
Anand Sharma, you were a senior member.
If you check the audio visual, the slogans were being raised. But I accept your ruling. But at the same time,
different slogans are raised in the House.
The members of the ruling party.
Slogans sometimes are raised by both sides. They shall not go on record.
Check the visuals. You can check the visuals.
Please. What can I do?
No, it's match fixing.
What I can do? No, the record is straight now. The statement made by Mr. Vijay Goyal seems to be correct. I have said it. Honorable members, The entire country is watching us. There are many issues which are pending before the House. Important bills are there. Important bills are there. We have to discuss about cyclone. We have to discuss about there are notice also about Rafale. The House is, we can discuss about Rafale also. The government also has no objection. The government also has no objection to discuss about Rafale. They have given in writing. So we can discuss on Rafale, we can discuss on agriculture, we can discuss on price rise, we can discuss on this Mekadatu, we can discuss on even cyclone also. Please cooperate. This is not the way. This is not the way I am telling you. The entire country is very much really agitated the way the House is functioning. The House stands adjourned to meet at 11 a.m. tomorrow, 21st.